How to add or change profile picture on Expert Option. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. We are learning how you can easily add or change your profile picture on Expert Option app. So let's get started. First of all, launch open Expert Option application on your device and log in. Once logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and this will open up the profile section. Now, click the pencil button right next to your current avatar, and this will open the edit profile section. Tap on the camera button at the top, and then tap on take a photo to take a picture from your device's camera right away. If you want to upload an existing photo of yourself, tap on select from gallery and choose a photo. After selecting a photo, click done. Now adjust your image within the frame and click on the tick mark at the top right. And you have now successfully added or changed your profile photo on Expert Option. You can always change or update your profile picture whenever you want by repeating the same step from this page. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.